Belle really dominated and characterized a huge part of my childhood and my growing up.
¿Quién ha hablado?
She really is the first modern Disney princess who doesn't want to be a princess. Someone who's more interested in figuring out who she is than in finding a guy and getting married.
Her thirst for knowledge, her imagination, her curiosity, it makes a fearless heroine, I think.
Belle is a great role model because she stands up for who and what she believes in.
Vengo a por mi padre.
And that was so much a part of the casting of Emma Watson.
¿Quién eres tú?
Emma, as Belle, empowers a whole new generation of girls.
Quiero verte a la luz.
What was then so exciting was to work together to really make sure that Belle was a 21st century heroine.
No tengo miedo.
We wanted to give her this element of being quite industrious and very inventive.
¿No hay modo de romper el hechizo?
This Belle not only embraces her sense of wonder, but takes it to a whole new level.
I know what she meant to me as a young girl. When you love something that much, you really want to do it justice.
Es la chica que esperábamos.
¡Bella!